Yachts are for sure a symbol of luxury, wealth, and card of the super upper class. If you want to differentiate between rich and wealthy people, I must say you can do it with super luxury yachts. Because rich people can buy Lamborghini, but luxury yachts can only be owned by the super wealthy people. To be able to afford the cheapest luxury yachts on this list, your net worth will need to be in the hundreds of millions, if not billions range. And I am sure that these super luxury floating vessels will surely draw your attention today. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to check out the top 4 expensive yachts in the world. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 4. In the list of expensive yachts, Topaz comes on number 4, whose name is now changed from Topaz to A+, and it comes with a price tag of $527 million. This $500 million luxury vessel was built by Larsen Yachts in May 2012 in Germany, and I'm pretty sure that you will know this company very well if you have interest in super luxury yachts. Exterior of this expensive piece was designed by Tim Hayward, and super luxurious interior was designed by none other than Terence DeSadle designers. Together, these two have won numerous awards for luxury designs and have 70 years of experience. It is believed that the owner of this luxurious piece is Abu Dhabi tycoon, royal family member Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who is also Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Presidential Affairs of United Arab Emirates. So by holding this much power and status in hand, you can easily imagine how wealthy he is and can afford these expensive vessels. The length of Topaz is 482 feet with a massive estimated weight of 11,589 tons, which is over 2 million pounds. Her engine is power packs 7,990 HP with a maximum accelerating speed of over 25.5 knots, along with the 2 diesel generators and powerful navigation system. So a lot of money was spent to make sure that this massive boat could still get around pretty quickly. This beauty features a steel displacement hull and an aluminium megastructure which forms 8 gorgeous decks for the ultimate exotic viewing experience. The interior extravagance of this yacht features a large jacuzzi and a swimming deck with a built-in swimming pool. Wow, I think it would be so amazing to swim on a long sea drive. A+ is fully air-conditioned for optimal temperature control and best experience in the summer season. Additionally, it has 2 helipads, in case you miss someone on a long journey so they can join you through traveling by helicopter. This yacht includes a state-of-art gymnasium, cinema hall, and large conference room to take care of your billion-dollar business while traveling. Just remember, we are at number 4, but all the features of this boat are massive and up-to-date. So what features will be in the number 1 yacht? To know these features, stay connected with this video and write down your thoughts in the comments below. Number 3. Azam. There are some similarities between A+ and Azam, like it was also delivered to members of the royal family of Dubai, and manufacturer of this expensive piece is also Larsen Yachts. It was delivered to Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of United Arab Emirates and Amir of Abu Dhabi, with a striking price of $650 million. With this jaw-dropping price, it is also claimed by its makers that it is the most complex and challenging yacht that has ever been built. One striking feature of this super yacht is its immense size of 590 feet length, which makes this floating boat the largest private yacht in the world. Additionally, it is also expected to be one of the fastest reaching speeds of more than 30 knots or 35 miles per hour. Its luxurious interior was designed by French interior decorator Christophe Leoni, which has been described as sophisticated and luxurious in a turn-of-the-century empire style. It is rumored that this super yacht has its own missile defense system, but at the moment, very little is known about Azam because its billionaire owner doesn't want to disclose its features. Number 2. Eclipse. The second most expensive yacht comes with an ambiguous price tag, but it is rumored that this price is between $800 million to $1.5 billion, and it is owned by the Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, who has added some personal touch to this billion-dollar yacht. It was built by Bellloham & Voss of the Hamburg, with a total length of 536 feet, and this makes it the second largest private yacht in the world. Well, with that much space, you can accommodate many extravagant features like 24 guest cabins, 2 swimming pools, disco hall, 2 helipads, several hot tubs, 3 launch boats, and not to mention a mini submarine too, which is capable of submerging up to 50 meters underwater. To increase the safety level, Eclipse is fitted with intruder detection system and a missile defense system. The master bedroom and bridge of the yacht comes loaded with the armor plating and bulletproof windows. Finally, this unique vessel boasts an anti-paparazzi shield, which consists of lasers sweeping the surrounding areas. Upon detection of possible lurking professional photographers, this system of light and lasers blinds any camera to prevent a photograph being taken. And to manage and maintain this ultra-luxury immense yacht, 70 crew members are always on board. I'm wondering how much money is required to maintain this extravagant vessel. If you have any idea, tell me in the comments below. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxurious videos like this. Number 1. History Supreme. Topping the list of the most expensive super yachts in the world, at an eye-watering price of $4.8 billion is the History Supreme. This pricey vessel was designed by world-renowned luxury designer Stuart Hughes from UK, which took him almost 3 years to complete this masterpiece for an anonymous Malaysian businessman. This yacht is assembled from solid gold and platinum with almost 1 lakh kg of these precious metals. They adorn the entirety of the boat right from the base of the vessel, coated in a thin layer of solid gold to the dining area, deck, rails, staircases, and anchor. One of the most outstanding features of this magnificent super yacht is the master bedroom. It has a wall feature made from meteorite rock and a statue made from genuine Rhinoceros rex bones. In addition, a 68 kg 24 karat gold Equester panoramic wall aquarium graces the master suite, and on board is a liquor bottle featuring an extremely rare 18.5 carat diamond worth $45 million alone. Finally, an iPhone wrapped in 500 cut diamonds, including 2 interchangeable diamonds fitted over the home button, a 7.4 carat pink diamond, and a rare 8 carat diamond add to the many extravagant features on this History Supreme, the most expensive yacht in the world. So it's a super yacht made from diamond, gold, and platinum to experience the ultra luxury level above sea. That's it for today's video of top 4 expensive yachts in the world. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more expensive and luxurious videos like this. And if you have any video ideas, let me know in the comments below. I'll surely consider it. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.